Let's practice some one-sided limits. In this table, we're given values of f of x as we get closer and closer to x equals 0. We're asked to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the left. What that means is we're looking at values getting closer and closer to 0 from the left side or from the negative side. So as I move from negative values to positive values on a number line, that would be the direction I would move in. Here we see as I move closer and closer to 0 from the left, my y values seem to get closer and closer to 7. Note again, the y value at 20 does not matter because we're looking at what we approach, not necessarily what we're at x equals 0. Therefore, we'd say the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the left side would be equal to 7. We follow a similar logic from the right side. So we look at as we approach 0 from the right side or from the positive values towards 0. And what we notice again is that as I get closer and closer to x equals 0, as I move up, my y values seem to get closer and closer to 7. Again, ignoring the actual true y value there. Therefore, the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 from the right side would be equal to 7. Now we look at our final limit, which is the limit of f of x as x approaches 0. So this is a two-sided limit. Well, from the table, it's pretty obvious that as I come from the top and the bottom, both of my y values are approaching 7. Similarly, if we looked at the limit from the left and the right here, we would have already known that we approach 7 from both sides. Therefore, because these two are equal to one another, we know that the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 would equal 7.